Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burger mixture. First, select quality ground beef, ideally 80% lean, for a juicy and flavorful burger. For every pound of meat, you will want to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. If you are making a larger batch, use 1 large egg for every 2 pounds of beef to help bind the mixture together. This ensures your patties hold their shape beautifully. To elevate your burger's taste, consider adding finely diced aromatics like 1/2 cup of onion or shallots. A tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce per pound of meat also introduces a wonderful umami flavor. When mixing, use a light touch. Overworking the meat can result in tough burgers, so gently combine all ingredients until just blended. This keeps your patties tender and delicious. Once your mixture is ready, it's time to form the patties. Aim for a thickness of about 3/4 of an inch. A crucial tip is to make a small indentation in the center of each patty. This prevents them from bulging in the middle as they cook, ensuring a flat, even burger. Finally, chill your formed patties for at least 30 minutes before cooking. This helps them maintain their shape on the grill or pan. When cooking, ensure your burgers reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety. Use a meat thermometer to check. If you have leftover mixture, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days, or freeze for longer storage. For easy meal prep, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade burgers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.